The Indian Express editorial ways of opening up at the speed of 85 words per minute. Dictation start within 5 seconds. Start on Monday. Prime Minister Narendra Modi held another video conference with state chief ministers to discuss the ongoing battle against the coronavirus and to plan ahead. Stop. This the fourth such interaction was held amid growing signal of the government preparing for a gradual easing of the national lockdown as economic concern being to loomer larger with the prime ministers himself nothing that we have to give importance to the economy as well as continue the fight against COVID 19. This signals cautious shift in strategy as the lockdown has progressed with the disruption in economic activity, intensifying its toll, becoming more visible. The stark debate of lives versus livelihood is being steadily recast and reframed among several state government to as the fiscal strain is beginning to show the mood seems to be shifting from unqualified support for a nationwide lockdown to a push towards a gradual and calibrate exit stop to be sure as states are on different infection trajectories each one will have to firm up separate plan for easing and exit state with lesser number of infections or with a better grip over the spread of the virus are likely to press for erasing more restriction so as to allow economic activities to resume at least in the green zones yet even the modalities of the exit from the lockdown in the green zones will have to be worked out carefully. One thing is clear stop both center and state must work together to figure out way to allow economic activities to resume while missing the health fault even as any such joint strategy will need to take into account and make space for the differences across state and the varied emphasis of state government as the number of case mounts during a meeting of state chief secretary the central government projected the number of infected in the country of reach 65,000 cases by May 15th and the capacity of the healthcare system of the country comes under more strain. Coordinated action at various level of government will become more urgent to ensure continued expansion of the institution capacity, setting up of containment ward, production of volunteer, ensure adequacy of testing equipment. During the course of the interaction on Monday, the Prime Minister also spoke of the need to usher in reform that touch the life of common citizen while fiscal and monetary support will be need to ensure the economy back to health give the collapse in economic activities, the need to push through continuous but required factor market reform that address the long standing structural issue that pledge the economy cannot be obfuscated. Stop.